got some thread with a needle, a big needle, some small scissors, a knackered beanie and some embroidery thread that will go with that embroidery. I don't know what this guy does to these beanies. Like, how do you get holes up here? I thought like maybe he puts it in his pocket or his bag sometimes or something, but then I think I asked him and he said he doesn't do that. Anyway, there were holes here and they were towards the back actually. And so what I wanted to do first was close these holes with just some orange thread, kind of invisibly. I wanted to invisibly, like slightly invisibly close these with this orange thread, small thin thread. Like I guess most people would like just have done the hole. I don't know, I just still felt like you would see it, I guess. That was my kind of thing. And also like he was asking for a bit more of like a interesting repair. Which I'm always interested in. Like, make the repair more fun or make it more of a feature. Make it look like almost like it's not a repair actually, and it was a part of it too. I used the embroidery thread to stitch some hanabi. What is that in English? Fireworks. Kind of like fireworks or tampopo. I also forgot what tampopo is in English. Dandelion? Maybe? That flower? A simple embroidery stitch and a kind of nice design, I felt, or we felt. It's not like a real intense full-bodied embroidery design, which means that it will still stretch quite nicely, rather than if it was like a really detailed embroidery piece that was like all filled with tiny stitches or something. That part wouldn't stretch over the head as nice anymore. This is a really good option for stretch garments in general, not just beanies. I would recommend if you're going to do this kind of detail over amend, I guess is what I would call it. You're gonna want to pick some kind of like loosey-goosey design like this. Just simple lines, or even like just some words, like you could write out an embroidered text or something, that would also work. Here's the final result. I think it looks quite cool. It's nice that it's just at the back actually. I'm sure he's gonna make more holes, so there will be some at the front too. Also, where it was dirty, I just washed that with soap and water and it came out easy peasy. Done, done, done.